Hey my lovely ladies, welcome to my channel where bridal dreams meet beauty magic. I'm Nida, your go-to professional bridal makeup and hair artist. Please do hit that subscribe button and let's get glowing. Right guys, if you're here from the haul video with all these products, hi guys, welcome back to my videos and welcome back to my channel. If you have directly come from the haul that I did according to these products, or with these products even, well, welcome back. If you are just joining onto this video, you might want to see, if you're interested, me unpackaging these on the haul that I did. That will be linked above or somewhere in this video, and I'm just gonna pop them straight back into my kit. I have 3 bags. You will have seen a video, if you haven't seen the pro kit video, basically I go through all of these bags. Audio on that video is not great, to say the least, but apologies for that. I will be doing an updated one maybe in a few months or so. Let's see how I go. That's that. So I will just put these products into their new homes across these bags. So let's start with some of the things that probably won't fit, because I am due to depotting a lot of them, so please don't mind with that. By the way, I have added razors into my kit because I'm finding that ladies that really don't get the time can have access to a razor. It is on their behalf, or they can do it for themselves. They are completely clean and brand new per client. It helps with product absorption into the skin when it comes to skincare, so especially with brides, it will make your makeup look amazing because your makeup is not just then sitting on all that facial hair, which is normal. Everyone has facial hair, but some people just prefer it not to show up in their pictures. Some people bleach it, some people want to get rid of it, and then they just don't get the time. So yeah, moving on. So this is my lip section. I do have some depotted here, but these I'm not going to depot because, to be honest, I need another lip palette, so it's going to get a bit tricky, but just finding some space for the lipsticks over here. Don't know if you can see that. Don't mind the mess. I'm just finding some space here, so I've got a spare one there, spare one there, and I've got the Bobbi Brown gloss, which I need to find a little home for. There you go, got ya. That's my lips done, I think. Next I'm going to move on to the base product side of things, so let's just zoom in, then move on to the base product. Now I've got these as my base. I do need to label them, but because it's got a nice big sticker there, it can just sit right there. So my new MAC foundations can just sit right there for now. I will go ahead and label what I need to label eventually. The Kevin Aquan, you've got 1, 2, 3, I've got 3 there, so my other one can just sit there. My colour correctors are usually sat in here, so that is looking hella cute. Proper cute collection there. So my colour correctors will just sit in the cream palette box. Right there, that's really full now. Now this powder will not fit where my other powders are going to fit, or normally do fit, just purely because it does need, like I said in the previous video, I need to put them down. So I've got this, so this can stay as it is, but of course I have the chunky powders like the Givenchy, the Huda, and then these are huge. So I've got the Ultra Pink and Rich Peach for now, so they can just sit there, and then I'm going to go ahead and depot them once I get a chance. I'm just going to pop them there for now. But with my concealers, I don't have much space, as you can see at the top. Let me just move it closer. So as you can see at the top, I don't have much space left, and I do try to keep them light to dark in that order, but I don't have much space. So right here where my Too Faced concealer, and once this gets all depotted, it will make my life very easy. By the way, I'm actually really enjoying Revolution Lace Powder. It's actually quite good, I can't lie to you. Compact powders usually go in there, but recently I did pop them in one of these, so I will do that once I get my little scalpel. I will go ahead and do that. Let's close that. Move that to the side. Let's get this big beast out. My hand sanitizer spray will just sit right in the side. I do have another hand sanitizer here as well, so they can all just sit there. I've got a spare brush cleaner, and because my setting spray bag is quite full now, I'm just going to pop that on the side right there. I've got a few business cards which will go really handy to have out, so I'm going to pop some in my actual handbag, and then I'm going to pop some in here so they are ready for my client. They also will be going in the top-up kits as well. I do need to make sure that they are put away there. Okie dokie. Going to go straight into the bronzer kit, into this smaller bag here, pop this right next to the Too Faced stick, and that just sits right there. I just put the Zuka bag away because I didn't need anything else from there. I'll put anything away from there. So now I'm going into the final bag. So I've got the water shadows from Kiko. These water shadows will, again, if I've not mentioned any products, it's just because I've gone from filming the haul, which I described everything there, and then I'm just putting them away. So please do have a look. I will tag it. Just have a look at those videos, that video, because it'll show you what's in here anyway. But those eyeshadows are the water eyeshadows from Kiko. I've got a few of those. I have my Elamask pigments there. So hard to get hold of some of them, but yeah, they live there for now. Then I've got the glitters there, spare powder here. You can just basically pop some Kiko shadows underneath them. Let's just close that side there. Here I have, oops, just hit this up for 1 second. I have all my liners. So I have the NARS Tender Night Velvet Lip Pencil. So I have my eyeliners and lip products right there, so I can see the shade. And that's a lip pencil, so it will stay on the side. This is an eye pencil from Makeup Forever. That can go in there. This is the brow pencil. And all my brow stuff is in this little bad boy here. Eyeliner in brown, but I don't want to put that in here, so this is going to go right in here, and that one's from Makeup Forever. So yeah, I keep my eyelashes, glitter liners, some of my smaller eyeshadow palettes, deodorant of course for myself, eye and brow stuff in there. Let's put this away. mix that up. Right, one thing I did forget to put in this big one, which I don't know how I've probably missed it, is my skincare stuff. So I have moisturizer from Naturium, then I have the Makeup Forever Greyness Reducer. I need to just pop that in there. Basically that can just go in there. I know I have a lot of skincare, but I do offer a luxury add-on to all my services, whether you're a bride or not. The Elemis Cleansing Balm is going to go straight into the bridal skincare package. It is to offer a luxury add-on skincare service for all my clients, whether you pay for a party makeup, in normal events, or you're a bride, you can add that on. Lipsticks. Now it's going to get more difficult to basically pop in, but I'm just going to throw them in there. These are the Kiko 3D Hydro Glosses. I've got them in the shade 18 and 04. I did do a couple of swatches on these things that I've bought, and a little bit of unboxing in the haul video, so please do make sure you check that out. Got that everywhere. Some serious depotting required. So to pop, these are the Makeup Forever singles in M619, S814 and 1520. Be so careful with this. Do it on there. Guys, don't judge me on this palette. I am going to get rid of it as soon as I can. So we're just going to add these on. I'm not too bothered about how they look. I've got another shimmer here, which I'll have to sit right next to these coloured mats. And this will just sit on the top. And that's how I make double use out of the Makeup Forever palettes. I've caught some of the eyeshadow there. Last one. Then purchased the other two colours of the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finishing, I think it's a finishing powder, Flawless Finish Powder, yep, Tan and Deep. So all I like to do here is get my compact powder that I've already depotted. Worried about how they would look. I think I should be now. So I just place them here in a bit of an order. Oh, you know what I mean. So these are the Charlotte Tilbury powders. And I am using, it's actually something I used to use when I was baking. It's like those little pokers to check if the cake's done or not. Don't ask me why I'm using it for this, because honestly it wasn't coming in use. And then to get things out like this is just perfect, as you can see. So the reason why I love these is that it just pops out like so. Do the other one. am going to keep these two. Last time I didn't keep them, but I will be keeping these two in case I need to travel and I just need to take 1 or 2 with me, where I don't need to take the rest, if that makes sense. So I will keep hold of those. You do pay for the packaging mostly with these products and these brands. So that is my compact powder done as well, and that will just sit into my main kit over here. My new brushes that I recently purchased will just go straight into the brush kit that I have already for my next clients. I will be going ahead and depotting some more of my kit because this bag is way too heavy. I'm learning how to set up things that I need to carry. I would rather carry that instead of the fancy bottles. So those fancy bottles that you get with the MAC and the Ilamas products, those things will just stay in the studio instead of me carrying them around because it gets too heavy. Keep a lookout for the depotting videos. They are very fun and messy. I hate the mess, but it helps me in the long run. Please don't mind my neighbours because they are now right underneath, so you'll hear them screaming just like now. Please do like, please do subscribe, it helps a lot. I do want to hear from you guys. I want to hear your thoughts, your views. I'll see you on the next one. Behind the scenes moment. I'm going to take you to where all my rubbish is from when I've just stopped filming. Look at that, guys. That is just an absolute madness. But yeah, now I need to go ahead and do my top-up kits, put things away and clean up this mess. And then obviously that stain right there needs to go. Please like, subscribe and make sure you hit me a comment to let me know if you got any more advice. I'd love to hear from you. See you till the next one.